Yeah, so we don't see the booking and event module that has recently been created by Abrion as a finished version. We have already worked to increase the functionality that it provides us in two separate occasions, ultimately being reviewed by how our events have went, and if there's any member of the team that has felt that there is a feature or function that's lacking to help them to better run the event during and prior to it. Separately to that, we are also looking to integrate Maximizer with our website. One of the biggest issues that we've had in previous years is that all of our information that comes from our website is delivered to us in either a spreadsheet form or an email form. And it relies on somebody within the company to manually update our CRM system. And again, as I previously mentioned, that works perfectly until something such as annual leave or sickness derails that process. And so automating with Maximizer, we see it as a natural step to allow ultimately for Maximizer to show us where we have gaps in our data and reduce that human error element that we have been struggling with on and off for many years.